What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. I'm John the Video Guy. In this video, I'm going to be going over the absolute best stock website for any free graphics or templates for Premiere Pro. It's called Mixkit. So I've linked the Mixkit down in the video description. Feel free to go click on it and start browsing. But I have it pulled up on my screen, and once you go to it, you'll want to click on Templates, Premiere Pro, and you'll see a bunch of Premiere Pro templates that you can download. You'll notice that there's a lot of cool transitions when you click on the Transitions tab, such as zoom in, zoom out, glitches, a lot of cool stuff that you'd probably pay for if you traveled on the web. There's a lot of like emotion array, Envato elements, and different areas that you can download a lot of different transitions, but all of these are free. So it's really cool. You just click on it, click download free template when you find one that you'd like. When it comes to transitions, it'll download a Premiere Pro project. Now, just one note that Mixkit is owned by Envato Elements, so you might see a lot of Envato Element ads on here and a lot of ways that they kind of want you to buy Envato Elements. So just be sure that you're clicking on the Mixkit type of assets. Otherwise, you will have to pay for an Envato Elements if you click on get unlimited downloads. But once it downloads, you'll notice that there's a project, and you can actually import this project into an existing project. To do that, just go up to File, Import, then navigate to that Mixkit project, click on it, and then in this new Import Project dialog box, what you want to do is just click Import Entire Project, click OK. So you can double click on this transition here, and basically what you'll want to do is just copy these elements over to your sequence, and you should be good to go. Another cool thing on Mixkit is their motion graphics, and if you go to the Titles tab, you'll notice that there's a lot of cool motion graphic MOGRT files that are available for you. So if you see one you like, just click on it, then click Download Free Template. Very similarly, there will be a download folder with a MOGRT file, and to install a MOGRT file inside Premiere Pro, what you'll want to do is go back into Premiere Pro, click on your Workspaces buttons, and go up to Captions Graphics. Then in the lower right-hand corner, you'll see a plus button, and this is where you can add individual MOGRT files. So if you click on that folder that you downloaded, click on Mixkit, click on Open, and it will add it to your project here. You can see it's right here. Just click and drag it to your project, and it will add the motion graphics to your project. And you can click on it, go up to Edit, and adjust the parameters as you wish. If you guys want to know how to create your own text reveal animations, I did make a video tutorial going over how to create one. I'll link that right up there. Otherwise, I hope this was a very cool asset that you can add to your video projects. I know I use Mixkit all the time on my projects. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.